Put olive oil with honey one night before bed and get 100 horsepower from this amazing mixture that changes your life for the better when prepared in this way that we'll mention to you in this video. Before we start, if you're a fan of olive oil and honey, press like to know the number of people interested in these topics, and if you're a new follower, subscribe to the channel and discover a new world of knowledge. Welcome, my friends. What happens when you mix extra virgin olive oil with natural honey? Have you ever wondered what a simple thing can do when mixing olive oil and natural honey together? You may think, dear viewer, that it's simple, but you don't realize that with these two ingredients, you're making an amazing, biologically active product that's unparalleled in terms of amazing health benefits that are characterized by antioxidant activity, oxidative stability, and very important functional properties of your body, as olive oil is the best oil ever for its richness in important nutrients, monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and many biologically active compounds. Honey is also characterized by its sweet taste and contains a good percentage of phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and nutrients found in honey itself, as well as the extract of the medical benefits of the plants that bees feed on. Honey is also considered a wonderful golden liquid that doesn't allow any interaction between its components and the components of olive oil, which makes this mixture continue with you for more than 3 months without any change in its health benefits and properties. In this video, we will present to you the benefits of mixing olive oil with honey and how to prepare this mixture and use it in the correct ways. First, improving heart performance. Many studies have proven that combining honey and olive oil together and consuming them in a balanced diet contributes to protecting the heart and blood vessels and preventing the development of atherosclerosis as a result of improving fat levels and reducing high blood pressure, thus speeding up blood flow and preventing the formation of clots. All of this happens thanks to the strong anti-inflammatory activity of both olive oil and honey in preventing the development of atherosclerosis by reducing the synthesis of pro-inflammatory molecules, preventing cholesterol oxidation, and enhancing the function of the lining of blood vessels. It is truly a wonderful and very important thing for your body. Second, strengthening the immune system. Olive oil contains a good percentage of monounsaturated fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols, as oleic acid constitutes approximately 75% of extra virgin olive oil. Honey also contains high levels of many nutrients, such as magnesium, iron, and calcium, which makes this mixture provide your body with healthy compounds and important minerals necessary to fight colds and flu, which eliminate most germs and viruses. Third, improving the performance of the digestive system. Recent studies have shown the benefits and effects of biologically active compounds resulting from mixing olive oil with honey in treating inflammatory bowel diseases, bloating, constipation, and softening the stomach. It also improves liver enzymes, prevents the accumulation of fat in it, and prevents hepatitis by eliminating the virus that causes it. Olive oil contains hydroxytyrosol, which is a powerful polyphenol that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and modifies intestinal microbes. Honey also contains prebiotics, which is a nutritional component of carbohydrates that's very important in promoting beneficial bacteria in the digestive system called probiotics, which maintain a healthy environment and improve intestinal performance. Therefore, mixing olive oil with honey helps suppress the proliferation of pathogens in the digestive system. Please don't deprive yourself of this wonderful mixture. Fourth, increase the body's energy for men and women. When you take the mixture, you'll feel refreshed, energetic, and the energy will last with you until the end of the day, as it's a powerful stimulant that increases the activity of blood circulation in the body, which gives the body the ability to perform vital tasks and life functions efficiently, energetically, and effectively, and resists the feeling of lethargy, fatigue, physical stress, and general weakness in the body's energy. Fifth, burning fat and losing weight. Honey improves digestion, and olive oil contains oleic acid, which plays an important role in burning fat in general in the body, especially fat accumulated in the abdomen and buttocks. It also stimulates the production of the peptide hormone, which works to reduce the desire to eat and the feeling of satiety. Sixth, improving memory and preventing Alzheimer's. The mixture contains a high percentage of phenolic compounds and powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals responsible for aging and Alzheimer's disease. It also contains potassium and magnesium, which improve brain function, increase concentration, and fight depression and stress. These compounds help enhance the integrity of the blood-brain barrier and reduce oxidative stress, thus preventing the deposition of beta-amyloid plaques, tau phosphorylation, and neuroinflammation, which are among the main causes of cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease. 7th, cancer prevention. The mixture of olive oil and honey contains polyphenols, oleic acid, and oleocanthal, which contribute to the activity of antioxidants, making it capable of selectively killing and destroying cancer cells without harming healthy cells. 8th, improving hair and skin health. Applying this mixture to the face for 30 minutes works to lighten the skin and delay the appearance of signs of aging by nourishing and tightening the skin. It also increases the freshness of the skin in addition to ridding the skin of many problems such as acne and blackheads. Also, applying the mixture to the hair reduces hair loss, increases its shine, and eliminates hair breakage and loss. 9th, an effective treatment for joint pain. A mixture of olive oil and honey is an effective and fast-acting treatment for joint pain, as olive oil contains important anti-inflammatory compounds such as oleocanthal, which is one of the natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, which helps the joints with many benefits, such as reducing the severity of pain associated with joint inflammation, and has a positive effect on chronic and acute inflammation alike, which works to reduce the chances of developing some types of joint inflammation, such as rheumatoid arthritis and feeling pain, stiffness of the joints in the morning, and reducing the severity of damage to the joints. More than one study has indicated that taking honey in patients with osteoarthritis, which is one of the most common types of rheumatism, helps relieve the pain associated with the disease and helps slow the progression of the disease, which leads to reducing motor disabilities. Therefore, massaging the joints with this mixture in addition to taking it is a wonderful treatment. Now, how to prepare a mixture of honey and olive oil in a healthy way? All you have to do is add 3 tablespoons of natural honey to 200 milliliters of warm water, equivalent to a medium-sized cup, and stir well until completely dissolved. Then add 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Then leave this mixture for one night until it becomes more homogeneous, and then the mixture is ready to drink. This mixture is characterized by the fact that it can be placed in the refrigerator for more than a whole month without losing its health benefits, because honey is a good solvent that doesn't allow the components of the mixture to interact. Make sure to use natural honey from a reliable source. Also, olive oil should be extra virgin olive oil placed in an opaque bottle that doesn't allow light to pass through it, as when olive oil is exposed to different light sources, what's called photooxidation occurs, which works to destroy the essential fatty acids in it, which negatively affects the nutritional value of olive oil. It's recommended to drink a teaspoon of this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and also a teaspoon directly before bed. Dear viewers, I hope you've benefited from this information. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Your opinion is very important. Share with me in the comments. People who are watching us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. See you in the next video.